Congressman Josephine Ramirez Sato of Occidental Mindoro. Former Congressman Teodoro Teddy Bagilat Jr., Ifugao, Lone District. Congressman Alfredo Paulo Vargas, 5th District of Quezon City. Congressman Henry Huminal. Congressman Alisa Shiena Pitan, 4th District, Isabela. Congressman Paul Dasa, 1st District of Northern Samar. Congressman Angelina Helen Tan. Congressman Eric Yap, CIS, Party List. Congressman Geraldine Roman, 1st District, Bataan. Now, I would like to ask Secretary Villar to give me the list of all district engineers and the districts they are assigned. Reorganize the assignments. Ikutin ko kayong lahat. Kayo yung meron talagang kahit ito si Ricardo, I'll assign you to Basilan kasi pinaputok